In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language Google Drive. We're going to walk through the exact clicks to switch the display language for Google Drive using the desktop web version. This change updates the interface labels you see across Drive and most Google services tied to your account. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. In the top right, look for the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps menu. Click it to open the panel of Google services. From there, select Drive to open Google Drive in your browser. If you're prompted to continue to Drive, just proceed as usual. Once Drive is open, move to the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon to access Settings. In the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens a panel where you can adjust Drive-related preferences. Inside the Settings panel, find the Language section. Here, click the option that says Change Language Settings. That link takes you to your Google account's language page in a new tab, because Google manages display language at the account level rather than inside Drive alone. On the language page, look for the pencil icon next to your current display language and click it to edit. A search box or list will appear. Begin typing the language you want to use, then select it from the results. If your language has regional variations, like different spellings or formats for dates and numbers, choose the specific variant that matches your preference. Selecting the right variant helps ensure things like calendars, currency symbols, and sorting behave the way you expect. After selecting your language, click Save to confirm. The change typically applies quickly. Switch back to your Drive tab and refresh the page if it doesn't update immediately. In most cases, you'll notice the interface elements, menus, buttons, and prompts now appear in your chosen language. Since this is an account-wide setting, you'll likely see the new language across other Google services as well. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you finish up. This adjustment changes the interface language, not the content of your files. Documents and folders remain exactly as you or others wrote them. If you collaborate with people in different regions, choosing the most widely understood variant can make shared navigation smoother. And if you ever want to switch back, you can follow these same clicks to return to the language page and pick a different option. That's it. Your Google Drive display language is updated. Refresh if needed, and you're all set.